So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy USD coin, ticker symbol USDC, in Canada on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, open up a cryptocurrency account. Once that account is opened up and all set up, simply press on the magnifying glass in the bottom bar. So sort of the bottom left area, press on the magnifying glass. Go to where it says trending categories. So you might be up here where it says high yield. Scroll all the way down to where it says trending categories and press on crypto right here. Once you're on this screen, about 3 options down, it says USDC coin, a USD coin, ticker symbol USDC. Press on this option right here. So as you can tell, if you wanted to buy it, press on buy right here. And once you're on this screen, invest whatever money you want to buy it. So I have $5 in my account, so I'll just press on $5 right here. I'll press on continue. Now, if you want to confirm this purchase, simply just press confirm order. And that's how you guys can purchase a USD coin, ticker symbol USDC in Canada on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helps.